Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Today I'm going to show you how to completely delete your Google Play Store purchase history. If you've ever bought an app, a game, or made an in-app purchase and don't want that history showing up anymore, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store application and tap on your profile icon at the very top. From here, tap on Payments and Subscriptions, and then select Budget and History. This is where you'll see the full list of your Play Store purchases. Next, head back to the main screen, tap on your profile icon again, and select Manage Your Google Account. Now, tap on the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find the option that says Delete a Google service. Tap on it and wait for it to load. At this point, I wasn't allowed to record further for security reasons, but here's what happens. You'll be asked to enter your Gmail email and password. Once you do that, you'll see the option to delete the Google Play service, and deleting it will remove your purchase history as well. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.